while he's still thin up this button.
Day 4, 5, not really sure. Missed out on a load of footage the other day because basically we were busy actually working on the car, but here we are. Sounds like John's raving. Black wise vamp, how very dare I. While we've got the engine out, we thought we'd do a bit of checking on the clutch alignment and just make sure the release bearing's all spaced out properly. Yeah, that's depressed.
That makes 4 of us.
Depressed.
Aren't you?
No, I'm alright.
Oh.
Fuck you, Billy.
Fuck you, Billy. 74.4.
What should the gap be? 4 mil.
We're going to turn the camera off now because we're going to try and do maths and it could be painful to watch. Apparently the technical shit is sorted, it's all okay.